to tell you about what lot banking is. Lot banking is when a builder wants to develop a community but doesn't have enough money to buy all the land they need outright. So they go to a lot banking company, such as Crescent Bay Holding. Crescent Bay Holding is our sponsor. Builder will design the community into individual lots. Crescent Bay Holding will take these individual lots and sell them back to the builder as they are needed. Crescent Bay Holdings finds investors to finance the purchases of these lands. We are currently developing a software that facilitates this business model. This is exciting because currently no software exists for this industry.
This project, we started with a snowball type design with a small, tight, and efficient core that we built upon and expanded with every iteration of the project and every function we added. This core allowed us to reduce work that we had to redo and minimize what we had to undo. As we built it, the snowball sort of approach caused the project to get bigger and increase in functionality. Underneath this approach, we kept things efficient with a database, underneath a back-end engine that's going to be server run, and finally web scripts that are directly accessed by the user.
So for our project, we use a unique technological stack. In our backend, we use MySQL as our database and our foundation. We also use C# as our server-side scripting. We then use JavaScript and jQuery as our client-side scripting. That's supplemented HTML5 and CSS3 as our front-end foundation.
All proposals, whether accepted or declined, are stored in our database. CBH associates can then review the data for these proposals against new proposals that have came up in and around the same building area as these older proposals. If the resources are met on the new proposal, then CBH can quickly decide if they want to accept or decline this proposal.
Overall, our team feels that our project was a success. We were able to develop a product for an industry which currently did not have any other software alternative. Our product currently allows Crescent Bay Holdings associates as well as users to submit project proposals, submit builder documents, and also begin negotiations for those respective projects. Our product is also in a position to be developed by future capstone teams.
One of the lessons I learned was the challenge in trying to utilize the .NET framework with Microsoft Visual Studios, coupled with JavaScript and the MySQL database that we use in our backend.
This semester I learned it's very important to get all of the information from your sponsor. Some of the information might be glossed over because they're very experienced in their business and don't realize how difficult it might be.
I learned that it's very important to have a good communication between your front-end developers and your back-end developers to keep your changes in sync.
We'd like to thank Deborah Callis for being our mentor throughout this whole capstone project.
We'd like to thank Crescent Bay Holding for being our sponsor.